Can you tell me?
Different type is a numerical data type, string data type,
Okay.
and in it there is integer, big integer in numerical,
Okay.
decimal, float. In a string, that is there is char, there is varchar,
Correct.
there is n varchar, text.
Okay. So if we write here data types in SQL, we have to understand here the SQL data types define the types of the value of our data column. Am I right? So every
Yes.
column has the value. Am I right? So the value we call the records, and the every record has a value. And what kind of
Mm.
value is in text, in a dates, binary, in a float value. Am I right? Am I
Yes.
right? And is in string value, right? Integer value. So what is the mean here? They have mentioned, especially you can see, you get the information. SQL get types define the types of the value a database column can hold, such as the integers, tags, dates, and strings, binary data, right? So choosing the correct data types ensure data integrity, optimize stores, and fast query performance. Right? What is the mean data integrity? Any idea? Data integrity.
No.
So data integrity it is used for specific reports. So integrity means for like a specific data. It helps us to ensure performance and like a correct data come in a correct data types. Right? Suppose we have
Yes.
I have given you like given you idea like a kitchen. Okay, we have a kitchen, we have some box. Okay, and is a one is a big box. Okay, and then is a like a small box, and small box there is some salt. Okay, in a one box in a salt, one box in a sugar. Okay, so if we put the sugar in a sugar, okay, box, and there's a tea, okay, and salt, whatever. Okay, so it means it's an integrity what data we have, and we will add new data in a same data, okay, or same records, same box. All right,
Yeah.
understood. Okay, now so I want to explain this again. So now the data types you understand. Now I tell you, copy and share slide. Even I can write it, so I want to save time.
Yes. Yes.
Now we have a, because we have already done other data types, so today we have to learn monetary data. What is a monetary data? What does it mean? Monetary data types, any idea?
Maybe who monitor?
No. So monetary means monetary data types are used to store currency or financial value. I will write here, we use, use monetary data types to store currency or financial values. So what are the financial or currency values? You have to understand. One is a money, right? We use every day, am I right? Secondly is like
Okay.
small money, small money, am I right? That we this everyone use money as small money, am I right?
Yes.
So now we have to understand what is the small money. Small money means store large currency value. Okay, what means value? Now we are talking the money. money data type. Money data types, right? So money data type means I make it like this. Money data types means store large currency, large currency. Am I right?
Yes, yes.
Values. What is the range here? So definitely, if there is like a large currency value, so definitely should be a range. Am I right? The
Yes.
range 9 double 2 trillion 2 plus 9 double 2 am I right? What is the mean here? Is 9 double 2 trillion 2 plus 9 double 2 trillion 922 trillion. Okay, so this is the range in we have to use the data types. Okay, so in money, how many digits should be required as per the 9 double 2 trillion. What is a trillion? 9 plus 2. Okay, this is a number and this is a trillion. So how many zero income in trillions? You have to count and you can use accordingly, right?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yes, yes.
and then what is the precisions? Precisions four decimal places. What is the four decimal places? Am I right? And what is,
So what is precision here?
I think I can give you a better understanding. What is precision in SQL? That idea, the spelling mistake, the total number of digit. Okay. What is the mean here? Precision refer to the total number of digit contained in the numerical value. Am I right? Spanning
Okay.
across both the
Okay.
sides. Okay, the decimal. So what I'm telling here, you can see. Okay, I can also mention this. Yeah, get better. I will share with you this. So it's better to write this. So four decimal places, right? So why I told you four decimal places? It means how many digits, okay, or like a
Yeah.
continuous, okay, in the number. Am I right? So it is
Right.
value, is the value how is looking in the decimal. You know, like you can see to somebody, his precision is a different. He looks like his precision look like a different. Am I right?
Yeah.
Did you see this kind of the like a sentence? Same here. What what we are looking and what after uh, looking this, okay, looking this, we will get four decimal places. What they are telling here? So what is the digit content, the numerical value? Am I right? How is
Yes.
looking for digit decimal in this numerical value? Right? So this is the precision, right? So now we have understood this is a data type. Okay, it's a money data type. Now we have another data type. As I told you, small money. Am I right?
Mm. Yes, sir.
Small money data type. What is a small money data types? So definitely small money because money data type stores the large principal value. It means money data types also store some value. Am I right?
Yes.
what kind of the value they stores? Let's see. We understand. So here store stores smaller currency. Smaller currency that can be used in life. Like you want to go to a mall, right? And you order a tea
Yes.
to buy something like any products. So we use small ones, right? Not a trillions, right? Am I right? So what? So definitely here will be range. Am I right? We have to understand the range as well. What is the range here?
Right, right,
Sorry. Hello. Pallavi, can you hear me now?
yes, yes.
Okay. So there was issue through my side, internet issues. Okay, I changed my network. Okay. So now I was telling smaller money data types. Okay, I told you small money data types has the small money data types stored smaller currency value, right?
Right,
So definitely there is a range, right? If they store
r-
data, so there will be a range, am I right? So what are range
right,
here? So minus 214,748. Okay, all right.
right,
So like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So like a 2,14,077,748, right? It's a minus. Okay. Okay, not like a, and is a plus. Same. Am I right? What is the precision here? Precision is the same here. Am I right?
yes,
Okay. No. I tell you the best practice we use decimal instead of the money. Best practice use decimal instead of money. Okay. Why? Because we required some money in a decimal float value. Am I right? So
right,
we can use in a large currency, but mostly we use this. But why we have to learn this? Because we need to understand what kind of data types in money. Am I right?
yes,
Please focus. Okay, now I teach you